Hi, hi guys. Um,
Hi.
Welcome to this video with Coreflux. I'm João Barroso. We have Bruno Candoso and Tiago Abreu here with us. I honestly don't know what's happening. They told me they had an emergency. They asked to get on a call with me. What's up, Bruno? What's up, Tiago?
Yeah, we have a new website, a new tool to launch, and we
Okay.
wanted to divulge to everyone to help in their work. This tool, this new website, is our templates website that we built to accelerate your adoption of Coreflux and focusing on solving your problems, not focusing on Coreflux. So here we have ready to run templates from most advanced use cases to more simple, direct, how to connect to a device. And the idea of this website is a way to accelerate your solution. You can search, you can ask an AI assistant, I have this issue. Do you have any recommendations? Do you have any templates? And you start from there. You can look at it as a tutorial, or you can download it, adjust to your reality, and start developing and solving your problem. Here
Okay.
we have Candoso that will show you a bit of the details, how to implement, and one or two use cases that we already have in the platform.
Okay. Please enlighten me.
I have here one example to show. This is a full example with Solar. So we have here a Python script, uh, routes to connect to the inverters, and also models.
So this is all already done. That's what you're saying. So
Yes,
anyone
yes,
can just come here and download each one of these projects as a template, and it's done like end to end. We just have to configure for
yes,
my own device. Is that it?
yes. Is that it?
Yes.
All right. This actually looks like a very cool place to start, like a brand new Coreflux experience for someone who doesn't know us yet. And now I'm gonna throw a challenge at you. We just came from Hannover Messe a few weeks ago. It was an awesome event. Some of the demos that we had there, our product demos, were interacting with some smart bulbs that we configured to show it working, right? Like this lamp right here. Say that I want to connect like a smart bulb, a TAPO smart bulb that I have inside of this lamp, and I have no idea where to start. I need a template for that. Can you show me how that would work?
Yes, of course. So you can use the search bar or the AI assistance. I will use the AI assistance. I want to connect smart bulb from TAPO. The AI assistant will search in the templates website. Okay, it found here a template. Here is
That's the
full
full
scope of the
project.
template. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you hit here, get this template and download.
Exactly. Also, if you want to share this knowledge with your network, you can also go to share, copy the link, send to someone via WhatsApp, or you can share on LinkedIn, where we'll build a nice little AI assistant to write the first draft for you to better explain the template to your network. So you
Of
can
course you
still
did.
run your knowledge share and your social network.
Very cool. Of course you did this. So I shouldn't expect anything else from you. So I can go here. I can get a lot notebook file, and I can use it on my own, or I can even share it with the network. That's really cool, guys.
And in our templates, we also try to have a quick way to simulate the data. So even if you don't have a sensor, a route, a final device, you can start with this template to test by yourself the logic, as Bruno is showcasing right
Yes.
now.
We have here an example that will simulate Modbus TCP data. So in this case, for this template to test a Modbus connection.
Very good. But just so I understand one thing, if you go up, I think I saw in the beginning of the page it says six available templates, right?
Yeah.
So okay, we're just when is this going to be live? Is it live right now?
Is it live right now? And it will be continuously updated throughout the next month, next year, always evolving with our product and increasing the scenarios. If we
Okay.
find a new scenario, we'll add it here to make it available to you to share our knowledge and our expertise. So the 6 will become 60 or 6,000 when we have more scenarios to show it to you.
Okay, so this sounds awesome, guys. Don't get me wrong. This sounds really cool because we've made a lot to be as easy to program as possible, right? You can read it even if you can't write it. Now we have many ways of using the AI assistants inside our platform and even in our website for docs and everything else. And it already gives you some examples of lot written out. You can just copy paste it. You just put another level on the ease of access on how to start. That's what it seems like to me. And this is already live. I mean, come on. No one has to sign up on this stuff. You just launch a new website and now we have it.
Exactly. We want to bridge that gap from knowing Coreflux by name and solving your solution. So yeah, we have AI assistants to help you develop. Our lot is simple, but you can start here to learn, just to learn, or have a ready to go template. We want to make it as simple as possible to solve your issues. So we don't want any barriers. We don't want you to be an expert on Coreflux. We want you to be an expert on your problems and finding your solutions. So we start from here to have a ready-made template to kickstart your journey.
Okay, this sounds really cool. Tell me one thing. Are we the only ones populating this website, or is there any way to, so if you get a suggestion from someone, because we have lots of people now using Coreflux and they're doing a really good job with it. Is there any way to bring them into this?
Exactly. As of now, we have our templates, but it's already built to work with our partners, for our partners to create here their own templates, showcase their partner profile with all of their templates, to bring that community knowledge, not only our knowledge. So it's already built to be a community hub for all solutions that our partners bring.
Okay, nice. Brun, what do you think of this? What's been your role here? How do you see this growing?
My role is solution engineer. I'm responsible for bring the best solution for our clients, and with that also I'm responsible to create the Coreflux templates and share the use case used in our clients and share in the templates websites.
Okay, so you did this example, this 6 that we have to start. This was you?
Yes, it was me. Yeah.
Okay, so either this is all you ever do for your life and we populate this website, or you're gonna need a lot of help now to make it grow. So yeah, we need more people to get inspired with this and help it. This is really cool stuff, guys. Congrats! I actually can't wait to start using some of these examples here. I'm sure it's gonna speed run. We can now speed run some of our product. Actually, it's a cool idea for the community, right?
I hope so. If you can speedrun your problems and solve it in a record time, it's great for us.
Cool. Very cool. Oh well. Guys, you're knowing this firsthand just like me. So now you can go to our website, coreflux.org, and you can find the templates. Just go into this page that they're showing us here, try it out for yourself. This is a beta version. We're just launching this as a prototype. So we need your input. We need to know if there's a little bug, if there's something breaking, if there's some templates that you can't find that you really want as soon as possible. Let us know. Get in touch with us, and we'll make sure to grow this as fast as we can. Thank you so much, Bruno. Thank you so much, Tiago. And
Thank you.
I'm sure we'll have a lot of news about this in the coming weeks and months with more templates coming in here. Can't wait to see them. Thank you for your work.
Of
Thank
course.
you.
Thank you.
I love these kind of surprises. See you soon.
Bye. See
Bye.
you soon.